This video is brought to you by Frost, the ultimate top shelf cookout. And I will put it on. You don't know see a posh lifestyle and young professionals promo. You know see a this of the thing go. Where to keep? 62 Red Hazel Road, Port Antonio, Portland. Yeah man, I write a Brutus bar. You see me? Food I got there and liquor on sale. It's a 2 to 10 event. So, mark your calendar. Tick it off. You know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And right now, I'm going to try to do something a little bit different. You see me? But before we do that, the subscribe button there, just smash it if you don't smash it already. And the like button at the end, if you like the video, you can like the video as well. So, make we go into the video. This video is about viral video where they're on IG. And if you don't follow my IG page before, you can go and follow it now at the end of the video. My IG page is, see that, I am DJ Chaddy. So first on the list, this video was taken from a recent TVJ news broadcast where a fisherman saved some people's life. And he had this to say.
Me dey on the land and see boat when it a go out.
A lie, you see boat a go out?
And when the boat a go out, me see say boat nah run good and me say how them a run the boat so.
Oh, the boat for now run good.
And when me look, me see one sitting a float a come down, you see. And me have to start shout to the people, man, I say, you see that boat there, turn over.
The brother shout till all them voice, your voice sound.
And the people, them are dead.
So what you do, brother? What you do?
We go out there, hold one eye woman, put him in a boat, cut big 2 box, put him in a boat.
You really box bigs?
Yeah, because him a go John.
Cheese and peas in box bigs. Can't believe. What make your box bigs?
If somebody go John and you know knock him out, you know, you can't see if him with John you too, you know.
He have a point. You feel like say yo, he should have really box bigs for show John know the man knock out big. So Miss Curvy Big Bottom Lifestyle YANIQUE have been making the news quite often since a couple of weeks. Cause you know the Marlon saga. Shoot, I should have called him name because I don't want to sue me. Edit out that part there. I don't know if YANIQUE want to be this. Watch this video.
Before you can't help me, yes, now.
Suppose I drop down the hill.
Somebody come.
Yeah. Somebody a come. Quick, quick. No, somebody a come for you.
So, what would you do? Now this video, me don't know who the little youth here, but only check him out. Check out that little youth here. Look like say Popcorn have to recruit him unruly.
I'm never sober, higher than Jehovah. And when I drink green soda, y'all see me and I march like soldier. I wonder what the tree we can cause. Let them all so now use them. They got the trip on the trip. And who them dip on it. You know, it's an extension clip. Still with it, so if I say again, one more parts go off, and we stop again, and we can try drop again. Man, I broke fight in a dance, me no matter them, because we stay high from your clean we dance, fading nearby. When you party, you gotta fading nearby. I'm a paper roll, you know for dare fly.
Oh, I'm never sober, higher than Jehovah. We no care border, and really no use a means border. No way.
I hope I saw him know he line them in a book, but in bad still, me not lie. Give him a round of applause.
Yay!
So, next video. So Shenseea recently made a video of her rapping. And me I tell you, John was star, yo. Who no want get Shenseea our ratings after watching this video? Who no bad man. Yo, the girl bad. So watch that video and comment below. Let me know what you think.
Hey, fuck it, then I get the money. Alright. When man hurt me, money can't hurt me. Coulda washed clean and trash money dirty. One free tell when me ain't 30. But for the money, bag a man can't hurt me. Me never money coming out or returning. Now in your mind, that would have hurt me. Love mama, but to all my love money. Sometimes it feel like say I money burn me. When me let you go, boom boom roll. Like to the phone, a couple more pound. Cause strong in the US, cook me extra tight like say to the US. Fit like bikini, money up from a genie. No pill and pasta linguine. For my favorite drink, I'm on a martini. One dry big bimmer like me. See me? From your money and you a give on, you can't get me. Real money make my face on this. Bankside chicken and ask for me. With school me did got them start text. Them not some money hide up on my crib. Them ask me which money I'm like them not money for heart in a chest. One fly like bird pan jet. Money shelter me up like jet. One bounce me up way too much money, so I start here with the next. You see the crackers, most the gas taggers, hungry follow me like the damn crackers. Don't me have dollars, most me like coppers, full like money, no have no damn manners.
And speaking of Shenseea, she recently went to Barbados for the first time. She gave a memorable performance. She started off first by saying her kitty is mad in them. Then she went on by singing her smashing it. You're not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional. My tune that, you know. Then she paid tribute to Bob Marley. I wanna love you, everyone. Then she went on by singing one of her other notable songs. And out of nowhere, this chrome skin, big breast, big bottom, Coca-Cola bottle shaped girl come and just start dance with Romish. And in the middle of Shenseea singing Jiggle Jiggle. This is where so yo people, you feel like say Shenseea and Romish really in a things and like shit just get little bit too real and she figured say she did it on stage. Thinking of it, you know, Shenseea, you would kind of favor Romish. This next video was recorded in church and the person in the video dressed in a full army suit with a rifle, but it's a spiritual rifle. Wanna check it out.
When you're a soldier, you have to know how to go down by your belly. No weapon now. That farm against this church shall be able to prosper. For he that dwelleth,
Over to here a little bit.
the secret. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide. Shall abide. Shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Boom, 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 boom. For the weapons of the Christian warfare are not carnal.
That is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please, I'm asking you, give it a thumbs up. One thumbs up go a far way from my channel. If you like it and you like the content that I put out, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I am DJ Chaddy and I'm out. Thank you for tuning in.